Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. For today's video, we will review Yang Pao Samgyeopsal located at Punta Santa Ana, Manila. So, me and my friend decided to visit this Samgyeopsal dahil balita namin for just only 199 pesos, you already avail unlimited pork Samgyeopsal with side dishes. We will try it if it is good or not. So if you're also interested about this place, I will put all the details in the description box below, or if you have question, just leave comment below and I will answer it in my next video. Thank you! Yang Pao is located at 3rd floor building. Pagpasok mo, mapapansin mo kagad yung aesthetic vibes, which is I love, very Instagrammable. Especially kung katulad ko kayo na mahilig mag-picture, perfecto para sa inyo. The setup is good and the price is also affordable. We avail the 199 pesos per head. It is only pork samgyeopsal with 4 flavors, which is plain, barbecue, spicy, and garlic pepper. Ayaw niya ano? Ayaw niya magpakulo. Magpakulo na dapat. 199 package also included unlimited rice, unlimited lettuce, soup, kimchi, side dishes like sweet potato, cucumber, kimchi, radish kimchi, lettuce, and soup. The time limit is 1 hour and a half of unlimited samgyeopsal. So, additional 39 pesos per head for unlimited steamed egg and cheese. They are self-service in terms of getting meats and side dishes, but if you want to refill your cheese and steamed egg, feel free to ask the server. In my self-preference, my favorite meat flavor is garlic and pepper, and they're plain. Also their kimchi, bean sprouts, and cucumber. I also love their steamed egg and special cheese sauce. In service, the server are also accommodating and friendly. They are smiling while assisting you. So, Yang Pao Samgyeopsal also have beer, grills, and ice cream. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.